So I'm recording something called a voice echo. It's just basically getting the tone and speech of my voice so that we can use it for the AI creator because the one that they have on here sounds pretty shady. It sounds pretty weird. It sounds very robot-y. My voice, it's natural. It's a human. So I'm pretty sure I want to see how this turns out. Hopefully it's just to test it out and not to actually use, but we're going to see. I actually have 33 seconds left. I kind of say things like create smarter, not harder, or no more excuses, or this is the first episode of Create Smarter, Not Harder, so you can get out of your own damn way. So 20 more seconds left. My mouth is getting a little watery, but I'm gonna keep pushing through because that's what I do. My name is Kimberly, and I'm gonna keep going. I got 11 seconds left, 10 seconds left, and it's going by pretty fast, honestly. And yeah, that's just pretty much me in a nutshell. Okay. Okay, bye. Such of my voice tone called a voice